Case T-Series is very easy with the extra wide doors. The standard seatbelt provides the maximum safety for the operator in every working condition. As soon as you sit in the cab, you will notice plenty of headroom and the outstanding visibility that assures the maximum safety in a job site. The information provided by the main dashboard allows the operator to keep the machine always under control. The T-Series cab is equipped with several comforts, as the fully adjustable steering column, the retractable front sun visor, and the openable side and rear glasses that optimize the cab ventilation. The cushioned seat can be easily turned thanks to the roominess of the cab, allowing the operator to reach the Backhoe controls, available with mechanical or piloted configuration to fulfill every customer need. Performance, reliability, fuel efficiency, and comfort. Feel the experience of Case Backhoe.